welcome back to Steam Code and welcome to the first episode of our Building a Mobile App with React tutorial series. And in this video we'll be showing you how to get started with your app and get the very basics up and rolling. And so we're going to be using Expo for this, and Expo is just a open source platform for building native apps with Android, iOS, or whatever platform you want. And so let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need to do is download node.js because we will be using that. So how do you do that? You can just search node.js.org, and first page that comes up is the download, so download for whichever device you have. And then after that, head into whichever folder you want your program to be. Then you're going to need to install the Expo client. So npm install Expo CLI-G to make it global. And then since I already have it installed, I'm not going to install it again. So plug that command in. Once it's done installing, then you need to initialize your project. And so the way you do that is Expo init, and then the name of your project. So let's just say test. And then it'll ask you for whichever template you want to choose. Choose the blank template. It's the basic template that we're going to have. And right now it's installing the JavaScript dependencies and initializing everything that we need. But I will end that because we already have what we need here. I have my thing called task list, and I will delete this test folder. Okay, so here we have our task list, and the file that has all of the code that we're going to be writing is called app.js. So navigate to your app.js file, and then we're going to need to actually start this app. So in order to see this app on your phone or whichever device you want, you're going to need to install the Expo client on your device. You can install that on Google Play or on the Apple Store, and once you have that installed, you're able to actually see your program on your phone or on your whichever device you want to use. Now let's actually start our code. So Expo start. And the code that you have should look similar to this. It should have the imports, then it has the app function, and then it has the styles using CSS. And once you press start, let's wait for this page to load up. You should see something similar to what's about to show up. Okay, now it's finished loading. So as you can see, we have this Metro bundler up and running. And you can either run it on an emulator or a simulator, or run your web browser, which I have already here. And then you can also, to access it on your phone, scan this QR code. Once you scan the QR code, you're able to access whatever you see in this web browser with your QR code, or on your phone. And so, now that we have it open, we can start changing the text. So let's change this to Hello World. That's what we'll do for this video. Now, as we save, as you'll see, this is automatically going to change. Well, the old one doesn't, but the new one that we opened up does. Hello World. Let's put another sentence in. This is Steam Code. As you can see now, it changes Hello World. This is Steam Code, and this should work for whatever device you have open as well. Alright, so that's the end of this video. All I've shown is just a basic getting started. In further videos, we'll add more components and add more features to the app, because right now it doesn't do anything except for display this one sentence. But I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the video, and I will see you next time.